So are you guys also facing this problem where you try to link your bank and it says we're not able to process your request right now, please try again later? So I was facing the same problem and I just found a solution, and I was looking for an answer at every single place, YouTube, Reddit, every single place, but I was not able to find an answer and I had to find it myself. So I'm just making this video so that people who are like me, who are struggling with this, they can just watch this video and can do it. Anyways, no more yapping. So even before I show you the solution, make sure that your bank account is compatible and every single detail that you have entered is correct, exact copy like the details that you filled in the bank. And yeah, so the first thing that you gotta do is, so what you're facing right now is you go here, you fill your details, and it just shows you that you're not able to do. I fixed that already, and as you can see, I can confirm my bank. I'm just waiting for them to send me 2 small deposits so that I can confirm it, but I just did it and I'm making the video right now as I've done that. So all you gotta do is go at your home page, scroll down, you'll see this contact, click on the contact, okay, and then when you're here there is this chat. As you guys can see, you have to click on the chat and it will take you to this PayPal assistant. And after that, let me just show you my the ones that I did. So yeah, so this is how it all started. I came here, they asked me, hi A, what's your problem and shit, and I said, hey, whenever I try to link my bank account, it says we are not able to process your request, even though every single detail I wrote was right. So just told me this will yap for a second, okay, and I fell for this. What you guys gotta do is skip all of this and just straight ahead ask this: make me message an agent please, and it will tell you, would you like to chat with an agent? Estimated wait time is up to 6 minutes, and there will be an option yes or no here. You have to click yes, and then you have to wait, and then someone will contact you back, like Monisha contacted me here, which was a great guy or a woman, I don't know, I think it was a woman, and I really appreciate the help. She actually helped me a lot and fixed my problem. So here I explained her I'm facing a problem with linking my bank account. Every single time I try to link, it says we are not able to process your request right now, please help. Like I showed you what is happening to us. So make sure, I wrote it before even sending the code. So what will happen is she will message you, and that as you can see here, Ritual, I'm sorry that you're facing this problem. So before you even send this message, like what you're facing, make sure that you send the code back. As you can see here, I will now charge and whatever blah blah blah, and basically she's going to send you a 6-digit code which will help them to access your bank account and can make the necessary changes which are to be done. And then after you give her the code, there will be another code that will come to you. Like here I send her another code, and make sure you send her the code back, and then she'll make the changes very quick. This happened like in 1 minute. She went very quick, and then after that my problem was solved. I went and checked, and I had a question that I didn't know, that how the deposits work. Are they going to send me money to confirm it and I have to send them back? I was very confused. So if you come till here, your problem is over, okay? Your bank is, so yeah, I forgot to tell you, after they send you and they tell you to send the code, and you send the code, you say I'm positive it will work. As you can see here, she wrote this here. After you see this message, go and try it again. If it works, send the message like thank you, it actually helped. And if it doesn't, keep on speaking to them, because they are the only ones who can help you here. And after you're done with this, let me also explain you guys how the deposit back and confirming your bank works. So after this is done, you can just go back to your home page. If you're on mobile, just swipe out the app and reopen it, and after that go to home. After that you'll see this option here, banks and cards, and here you can click on your bank account twice. It will take you here, and as you can see it will say this message will be here. Just after you talk to her, you come here, you won't see the confirm bank. You'll have to go back and reopen the app to see this, but you'll have to wait for 3 to 4 to 5 to 6 days until they send you 2 small deposits, and these deposits will come to your messages, your SMS, and when it does, just click on the confirm bank, and there will be these two, deposit amount, because there are two. And make sure that you deposit the exact same amount that they send you, and then you just hit confirm and it's over. And as I told you guys, I just did this, so I'll have to wait for the next 4 to 5 days until it's over, and then I can just confirm it. And hopefully you guys found this video helpful, and I'm glad if it did. I hope you guys have a good day. Like this video if you liked it, and if you like me, just subscribe, that would help you a lot. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, peace out.